want to close.
From Monday, they do not pay here.
I
don't. And for us, I end go. No, we stop. It's okay. Yeah, we don't know nonsense.
We told Parliament we shall be driving here for free. Everybody must go for free until that 3 months is done. We don't care about this.
We don't know nonsense.
When the money collected here is being stolen everything. Who is Chief Warden? Chief Warden is more important than Parliament, right? He's more important than us. Who pays his salary? We have been calling him. His phone is here. I called him the whole day. Who does he think he is? Excuse me. Do you know our office? You think we don't have offices? That's why we can look for you.
Yeah, but
we are not responsible for that.
No, that's why I called him 1 million times.
We are trying to explain to you, madam. Why don't you understand?
Let's back and go. So don't pay any money.
Go to hell. We call him and he doesn't pick. He kill us. We stood on the floor of Parliament. We said we cannot talk to him.
I saw that what we are going to do, starting Monday.
If we ever find anybody paying,
no Ugandans,
we are going to block all the routes. Nobody must travel.
From Monday, we shall never pay this until
we shall never.
We don't know.
I swear before God.
I know this is fully people.
Animals did not elect us.
Okay. How
can we protect
we are not going to pay. We are not going to pay for this road.
Sincerely.
You are going to open this route by force, by fire, by thunder. How about Kasese people? Why are they enjoying and us we are paying?
Hello, Queen Elizabeth Road. No, we are not paying. You are not.
Who has sent you here to come and penalize us? We are not going to accept. Open this gate for us.
So we are not going to pay for Reba and Reba.
They elected us so that they can use the road. Are we the ones who have closed that place?
Hello, Lake Guru is not being paid.
We want to use our road or you open this road.
You cannot fool us.
You cannot fool us like this.
So
you are going to open this road or you lose your jobs. Why is the minister not